Hey everybody, Demolition Ranch here, and today we're talking shotguns. Shotguns have been around for a long time, and they are super useful for a bunch of different things. Whether you're a beginner or you've been around firearms your whole life, there's always something new to learn about shotguns. So what exactly is a shotgun? Basically, it's a firearm that shoots a bunch of small pellets called shot instead of just one bullet. This makes it awesome for hitting moving targets because you don't have to be super precise with your aim. Shotguns come in all shapes and sizes, from small and compact to big and powerful. They can be used for all sorts of things like hunting, sport shooting, and even home defense. No matter what you're using it for, a shotgun is a versatile and powerful tool that can be a lot of fun to shoot. Alright, let's talk about how to actually shoot a shotgun. Safety is always the number one priority, so make sure you're wearing ear and eye protection. And remember, always treat a shotgun as if it's loaded, even if you think it's not. First things first. You need to get a good stance. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your knees slightly bent. You want to be stable and balanced so you don't get knocked over by the recoil. Next, grip the shotgun firmly, but not too tightly. You don't want to strangle it. Bring the shotgun up to your shoulder and make sure the buttstock is snugly against your shoulder pocket. Now it's time to aim. Unlike rifles, you don't have to be super precise with a shotgun. Just focus on your target with both eyes open and smoothly pull the trigger. Remember to follow through after you shoot. Keep your eyes on the target and make sure the shotgun is pointed in a safe direction. Taking care of your shotgun is super important. Regular cleaning keeps it running smoothly. First, ensure it's unloaded. Gather your cleaning supplies. Clean the barrel with a bore brush. Wipe down the receiver. Apply gun oil to prevent rust. Wipe off excess oil. Your shotgun is now clean and ready. In end. Section 4. The benefits of owning a shotgun. Owning a shotgun comes with a whole bunch of advantages. Like we talked about earlier, shotguns are super versatile. You can use them for hunting all sorts of game, from small birds to big deer. They're also great for sport shooting, like trap shooting or skeet shooting. And of course, shotguns are a popular choice for home defense. The spread of the shot makes it easier to hit a target, even under stress. And the power of a shotgun is undeniable. But the benefits of owning a shotgun go beyond just practicality. There's something really satisfying about shooting a shotgun. Maybe it's the feeling of the recoil, or the sound of the blast, or the sight of the clay pigeon exploding. Whatever it is, shotguns are just plain fun to shoot. Plus, owning a shotgun can be a great way to connect with friends and family. Going to the shooting range or going hunting together can create lasting memories and strengthen bonds. Section 5. Conclusion. Embracing the shotgun world. So, there you have it. That's a quick rundown on shotguns. We've covered the basics of what a shotgun is, how to shoot one safely, how to keep it clean, and some of the many benefits of owning one. Shotguns are versatile, powerful, and fun to shoot. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a complete beginner, there's always something new to learn and enjoy about the world of shotguns. So get out there, be safe, have fun, and happy shooting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content from Demolition Ranch.